How to fix rust on a truck frame and stop it for good. If you're about to repair rust on your truck's frame, here's something important to remember. Most rust repairs fail because of three things. The first is access. You can remove what you see, but rust inside frame rails gets missed. The second is poor surface preparation. If grease, dirt, or residue is left behind, coatings won't bond properly. Third is using the wrong coatings. Standard paints often don't seal out moisture and salt and don't stand up to impact damage. And there's another big one. People underestimate how much work it takes, rush the process, and cut corners. And that's when rust comes right back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix rust on a truck frame the right way, and more importantly, how to stop it from coming back using the KBS Ultimate Frame Coater Kit. This kit addresses the root causes of rust repair failure and includes everything needed to properly prepare and coat your frame, delivering a durable, long-lasting finish that stops rust from returning. Start by removing all loose rust, failing paint, and coatings with a wire wheel, 60 to 80 grit sandpaper, or by sandblasting. Keep in mind, if KBS RustBlast is used, you don't need to remove every trace of rust, but anything loose or flaking has to go. Next, clean thoroughly using KBS Clean, a concentrated cleaner that removes oil, dirt, and debris without leaving residue that could hurt adhesion. Mix clean with hot water at a 1:5 ratio. Scrub thoroughly with a sponge or scrub brush, rinse with water, and dry completely. Detailed instructions for KBS Clean can be found on the KBS website. Now evaluate the condition of the frame. Look for deep rust or scaling, soft spots or rust through, and weak weld seams. If this type of damage exists, it needs to be repaired before coating. Next, treat with RustBlast, which neutralizes any remaining rust and etches the surface for the strongest bonding of RustSeal. Spray on RustBlast and keep wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the rust. Scrub intermittently with a Scotch-Brite pad. A whitish zinc phosphate residue will remain. This is beneficial and prevents flash rust, so don't remove it. Detailed instructions for RustBlast can be found on the KBS website. Now it's time to seal the metal with RustSeal, a moisture-cured urethane rust-preventive coating that dries to a rock-hard yet flexible finish that won't chip or peel and can be applied directly to rusted, treated, or bare metal. Available in 11 colors, RustSeal can be used alone or as a base for additional coatings or finishes. Choose brushing, rolling, or spraying, and apply when the temperature is between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid high humidity. Stir thoroughly from bottom to top. Apply 3 thin even coats, allowing 2 to 6 hours dry time between each coat, and be sure to apply additional coats within 8 hours. Detailed instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Applying a top coat over RustSeal adds an extra layer of protection and is recommended for frames exposed to frequent or prolonged direct sunlight. KBS Blacktop Chassis Coater is a common choice. Blacktop is a durable, moisture-cured, and UV-stable protective coating that withstands dulling and fading caused by prolonged sunlight exposure. Before applying Blacktop, scuff RustSeal with 320 grit sandpaper or dust with KBS Fusion self-etching primer to provide grip for the top coat. Choose brushing, rolling, or spraying, and apply when the temperature is between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid high humidity. Apply 2 thin and even coats, allowing 2 to 6 hours dry time between each coat, and be sure to apply additional coats within 8 hours. The frame can be handled after curing for 1 day, but wait 7 days for full cure before putting it into service. Detailed instructions for Blacktop can be found on the KBS website. To prevent rust inside box frame rails and other hard-to-reach areas, KBS Cavity Coater is applied with a spray wand to deliver a corrosion-inhibiting protective coating. First, remove any readily accessible debris and loose scaly rust, and if grease or oil is present, clean with KBS Clean. Attach Cavity Wand to Cavity Coater and insert the wand into the frame cavity. Then depress the spray tip and withdraw the wand at about 1 foot per second. The recommended film thickness is 1 mil. If needed, repeat to ensure complete coverage. Detailed instructions for Cavity Coater can be found on the KBS website. If you want your truck frame to last, you can't cut corners. The key is taking the time to do each step right, from prep to the final coating. With the KBS Ultimate Frame Coater Kit, Blacktop, and Cavity Coater, you'll have everything needed to properly prepare and coat your frame and protect your truck for the long haul. KBS Coatings products are proudly made in the USA.